Initiating simulation 011. Target: the event horizon. You are approaching a black hole, a point in space where gravity is so strong not even light can escape. As you get closer, the universe begins to warp. The gravity bends light like a lens. You are seeing the back of your own head. Then, the physics kicks in. It's called spaghettification. Gravity pulls your feet stronger than your head. You are stretched into a long, thin noodle of atoms. Your bones snap instantly. Your blood vessels burst, but you might still be conscious. You cross the event horizon, the point of no return. Looking back, you see the universe as a tiny, shrinking dot of light. Time dilation takes over. To you, seconds pass. But outside, millions of years are flying by. You are watching the universe die and fast forward. Inside, the laws of physics break down. Space and time swap places. You are falling towards the singularity. What happens at the center? Some say a wormhole. Some say a firewall. The simulation cannot calculate it. You are crushed into a point of infinite density. You are everything. You are nothing. Don't get too close. End log.